Hi everyone, in today's video we will see the MacBook Air M4 trackpad gestures for beginner. So firstly we will see the basic trackpad gestures for the beginner like single click, preview, scroll, zoom in, zoom out, right click, okay, and swipe between pages, smart zoom like this, okay. So firstly we will see simple click. So to select an item you can simple single tap on it or you can simple single press like this. So to select any item which one you want, you can simple tap on it by using your one finger. Also to see its preview, you can single tap and hold to see its preview. Here you will see. Okay, you can simple tap on it and then long press it. You will see its preview. Also, you can customize it by going to its settings. Then after scroll down, click on trackpad. And here you will see the trackpad settings. So here you will see a tap to click option. Now we see the scroll. How we can do scroll. So to scroll, you can use your two fingers. So here you will see in a sidebar. So to scroll, I am using only my two fingers like this. Swipe up and swipe down using my two fingers. Now we will see how we can zoom in and zoom out by using the two fingers. So also once you go to the scroll and zoom settings, here you will see many options. So to zoom in and zoom out, you can pinch with your two fingers. I will show you once I open any image. Now to zoom in, you can simple use your two fingers, place and then like this. Pinch in and pinch out. For zoom in and zoom out. Here you will see. Now we see the next one is a right click, means two finger tap. So to open a contextual manual and to do right click, you can simple use your two fingers. Firstly, you can enable it by simple going to pointer and click. And here you will see a secondary click option. Now you can set it to off or click or tap with two fingers. Click and tap in bottom right corner of your trackpad or in left side. So I am choosing click or tap with two fingers. So for right click, I am just tap with two fingers. Here you will see. Then it will open its contextual window where you can open, move to bin, rename, do like this. Open settings, open it preferences, many things. So to do a right click, you can simple use your two fingers. Now we see how we can swipe between pages. So like I open any website. Now I open the Apple website. Now if I want to swipe between pages, I am just using my two fingers. So to go back to your previous page, you can simply use your two fingers and then swipe right. Okay. To go to your in a page, you can simple swipe left. Left. Here you will see for previous swipe left and to move forward, you can swipe right. Okay. So these two fingers can help you to move between pages. Here you will see. Now we see how we can move between windows. Okay, so to move between windows, we can use our three fingers. Okay, so here you will see once I place my three fingers and then once I swipe left, here I will easily move to the next window. Here you will see. Okay, also you can customize it by simple going to the settings of the trackpad and here click on more gesture and now you will see here swipe between full screen application. You can customize it to swipe left or right with three fingers or four fingers. I select it for three fingers. That's why I am able to move between windows by using my three fingers. Okay. Also here they have another feature called smart zoom. So firstly you can go to scroll and zoom. And then after here you will see a smart zoom option and then enable it. Then after you can do a smart zoom by simple tap with double tap with two fingers like this. Here you will see to zoom in and zoom out. Also in a trackpad you will see many trackpad settings. Rotate any object like I want to rotate this image. So I am using just my two fingers and then I will try to rotate it. You will see here. Now the image will be rotated. Okay, you will see here. Also, On your trackpad settings, here you will see more gestures like mission control. You can simple swipe up with your four fingers to see all the desktops. Here you will see all the windows that are open. By just you can simple swipe up with your four fingers. Next one is app expose. You can simple swipe down with four fingers and then the current window will be remain and all will be closed. Here you will see. This is called app expose. You can use your four fingers and then swipe down. That this can open only the current window and then it can disable or hide all other windows. Okay. So the next feature is to show launchpad. So to show the launchpad, you can simply use your three fingers and then one thumb. And now you can pinch with the thumb and then three fingers. Here you will see to open the launchpad. Okay. Last gesture is to show desktop. You can simply spread with your thumb and then three fingers to show the desktop. Here you will see. So these are the some trackpad gestures for the beginner of MacBook Air M4. Goodbye.